What's up guys, it's Eva. Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this hairstyle. It's a high top braid with braiding hair. So yeah, if you want to know how to do this hairstyle, keep watching, and without further ado, let's just get right on with this video. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna be using today for that hairstyle is this gel, the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. These brushes, I have this one, and an edge brush. And then I got water spray bottle, and some hairspray, and a hair dryer to dry all those stuff. And what I'm gonna be using for the braid is, this is a little ponytail thing I made with some braiding hair. So yeah, first I'm gonna start by brushing my hair into the ponytail form that I'm gonna use, and then putting the gel in there. And I'm also going to be using a couple of these rubber bands. So now I'm just going to put the gel all throughout my hair. So I got the gel all through my hair. Now I just gotta brush it so everything's straight. So I'm gonna use the bigger brush. Then I'm gonna spray a little bit of water. Then I'm gonna just put the rubber bands in. And not everything's straight, so I'm gonna take this small brush, just I'm just seeing if everything's straight. Okay, now everything's mostly straight. I'm going to take out some of my edges. And now that I have them out, I'm just gonna put some gel and just swoop. My lights keep flickering. What the heck? Now that I did those, I'm gonna take this ponytail and just put it around my natural ponytail like normal. And then I'm gonna just do it one more time so it's tight. So now I have this, and then I have my normal ponytail. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna separate my natural hair into 3 parts like a normal braid. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel like in the middle of them so the parts stay together and they don't move around. And then I'm gonna part the fake hair into 3 parts. So then I'm gonna put the middle one in the back, and then I have this one with this one, and this one with this one. So first I'm just brush this one back and brush these together so it's neat and not bumpy. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this hair is getting stuck on my earring. And so, now that I have my 3 parts, I'm gonna start braiding like a normal braid. So, and right now I'm about to add another piece of hair into my braid so it can be longer. So Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here. So, and then I'm gonna finish this off camera. But first, before I do that, I'm gonna get a piece of hair, another piece of hair, and wrap it around these rubber bands right here, so it doesn't look, so it looks better. So I'm just gonna take like the end of it kinda, and let me move my camera up. Just wrap it around like that. And then I'll start taking my hairspray and wrapping it around. And I'm gonna take this long piece and start wrapping it around. So I did that. So you can't see the rubber bands anymore. I don't know if I can see. It looks really dark, but I wrapped that around so you can't see the rubber bands anymore. So right now, I'm just gonna finish this braid off camera. So I'll see y'all after I did that. Hey guys, so I finished the braid, and normally I would dip it in hot water so the braid isn't stiff, but it's currently 12:30 in the morning right now and it's a little late for that. So I'm gonna just see y'all in the morning, and I'll be dipping my hair in hot water. So good night, y'all. Hey guys, so it's the next morning, so now I'm just gonna run my hair in hot water so the braid isn't like stiff. And so yeah, I'll see y'all guys when I do that. Okay, so now the water's hot, I'm gonna start running my braids through the hot water. Okay guys, so this is the finished product after I put the hot water in. It's not stiff anymore. And yeah. But yeah, that was it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.